Today, I'll help you solve how to add a text in Clipchamp. So let's get started. First, head over to the website. It's clipchamp.com. And over here on the top right corner, you're going to find try for free. Click on it and it's going to redirect you to the app. Here, let's create a new video. Now over the left hand side, you'll find a lot of buttons. And here you will find the text button. If you click it, you can add text. There will be a lot of animated text presets that you can use, like this one, or fireworks, circular, typewriter, and a lot more. You can add a plain text as well. There will be a button like this, which says add to timeline. It's going to add the text over to our timeline. You can also delete this and add another one, like let's say typewriter. Now to edit this text, you need to double click on the text. It's going to open up a pop-up on the right hand side. You can change the text from here. Let's say I add some text, and below it we will have font. You can change the font. The font that I use most of the time is Poppin, so I'm going to use this. And below it we have size. You can change the size of this font up and down like this. Change the text color and the background as well. And you can also adjust the position of the font. Now on the timeline, you can also change the length of the font here. Now to play it, you can press on this play button, or you can press spacebar on your keyboard to play this video. Okay, there you go. So this is how you can add a text in Clipchamp. Did you find the video helpful? Let me know with a like and a comment.